second day, we went to Plitvice Lakes National Park. This is a huge national park. It is not like a bird or animal sanctuary. Basically, it is filled with flora and fauna, rich flora and fauna, very enriching, very good air. And just to mention, it is a proper hike over there again. Expect that you will almost hike or walk for around about 7 to 8 kilometers easily in that day, or even more than that, maybe a kilometer. So, but it's totally worth the way they have maintained it. There's nothing like that. Also, it has, I think, around about, I don't remember the figure, but more than 20 waterfalls, so 20-25 waterfalls. Where do you get so many waterfalls in one place, in one park? That too. And there are some, I think, 5 to 6 different trails you can follow and cover the park. It's so huge. It is spread across acres and acres of land. The waterfalls, some of the waterfalls are really huge. If you just Google about it, you will get a lot of things. The whole park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so it comes under directly under UNESCO's purview. Now, coming to how you reach or how you do the tour, I think here you will need some support from local tourist, organizations. Now you can book the tour online via Get Your Guide, via Tour or Klook. These are the 3 platforms which I know. Popularly, there could be another one as well, but these are the prominent ones. And you can book from there. They will have their meeting point. You will have to reach at the meeting point early in the morning, and then they'll have a bus. It will be on shared basis. They will take you to the park, and then it's like a 4 or 5 hours tour in the park.